Hi, in this video I will teach you how to use Auto Account Switcher add-on. And well, before I go ahead, I need to talk about two main benefits of enabling Auto Account Switcher add-on. Now the first one is to reduce the chances of a number being banned by WhatsApp company. A WhatsApp account will be banned by WhatsApp, okay, if we send messages, if we send many messages to strangers from one single number, okay. And second, you can save 90% of your time by letting the add-on do your work. Now by this I mean that you won't have to manually scan the number, okay, every single time you want to send message from a different number. This work will be done by the add-on. Now, how does the add-on work? Well, Auto Account Switcher will allow you to send messages from multiple WhatsApp accounts by automatically switching the WhatsApp account after sending certain number of messages. Now what does it mean? It means that you will be able to send messages from multiple WhatsApp accounts. Okay, you don't have to manually switch the account. Okay, it will happen automatically. Let's say that you have added 500 different contacts or recipients to whom you wish to send the messages. You can see that with that red color arrow over there. And let's click on the send button at the bottom. Now click on send again and you will see this screen here. Now remember, if you have not enabled the add-on yet, you will not see this screen. I'm talking about this section. Okay, you will not see this. Okay, so I have already added 5 different WhatsApp accounts. Okay, and I've named them WhatsApp account number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and at the bottom I have added the number as 10. Okay, I want the account to be switched automatically after it sends 10 messages. So it says switch account after 10 messages. Okay, and you can add the account by clicking on this section here. There's this button here on top. Now what will happen? Now let me go to the next slide. So what I've done is I've taken a screenshot of only this form here, account switcher, and as you can see I have loaded 5 different accounts. I have scanned 5 WhatsApp accounts and the limit that I have set is 10. Okay, so when I click on the OK button here, okay, what is going to happen? It will, from the WhatsApp account number 1, it will send 10 messages. Okay, after that it will automatically switch to WhatsApp account number 2 and send another 10 messages. Then WhatsApp account number 3 will send 10 messages, WhatsApp account number 4, and then WhatsApp account number 5 will send 10 messages. After this, what will happen is it will go back to WhatsApp account number 1. It will rotate. Okay, so this is what is going to happen. Okay, this way your messages will be sent to all 500 contacts. As I told you earlier, okay, sending WhatsApp messages to unknown numbers from a single number is very risky. Okay, it increases the chances of a number getting banned. Okay, that's why Auto Account Switcher will ensure that your messages are sent in intervals from different accounts, thus reducing the risk of a number getting banned, and will also save your time. Now, how to buy and enable the add-on? Now, I'm assuming that you're on the website already. Okay, on the website you will see a video on the left hand side, okay, which is what you're watching right now, and below the video you will see a view all plans button. Okay, click on that and you will see the pricing over here. Click on buy now button. When you click on buy now button, if you are not logged in, it will ask you to enter the username, password and the name and everything. Okay, so you need to do that, and it will take you to a payment gateway. You will have to make the payment. After the payment is made, okay, you need to go back to your client area. Okay, and right here under this you will see add-on. Okay, and it says Auto Account Switcher add-on. Okay, on the right hand side you will see a gray color button. Click on that. It will take you to this page here. Here you will see your licenses. Let's say you have purchased 3 different licenses of add-ons. Okay, you'll see 3 different buttons there which says enable add-on. Click on any one. Okay, the moment you click, it will take you here on this page, and you will see that your gray color button has become green. Okay, and it says enabled. Okay, so this is it. Now please remember, after buying the add-on, you need to close the software. If your software is already open, you have to close it first, okay, and then open it again. Else you will not see the option, you will not see the add-on related option. Okay, I'm talking about this. You will see this only if you close the software and reopen it.